Hello. In this session, I will explain how to take action when the spindle does not stop immediately when the spindle stop command is issued. Sometimes the belt-type spindle does not stop immediately due to inertia when the stop command is issued. The built-in spindle stops after a few more turns when the RPM is high or depending on the assembly condition. This problem can be fixed by adjusting the belt tension for a belt-type spindle. However, there is no explicit measures for the built-in spindle. If the spindle stop command of M05 speed 0 detection level is issued while the spindle is rotating, as well as if the speed is 1000 RPM based on the current rotation speed, it is recognized as a stop from 75 RPM. When the spindle stop control mode is turned off, the spindle may rotate a few more times after issuing the stop command due to inertia if the spindle has been rotating at a high speed, parameter number 4024 setting value is high or depending on the assembly condition. To take action, set the setting value of parameter number 4081 between 500 and 1000. For reference, the units for the value is 10 milliseconds. If 500 is set, the spindle stop control mode is maintained for 1 second longer compared to if there was no setting. As a result, spindle rotation due to inertia can be prevented. That is the end of my explanation on how to take action when the spindle does not stop immediately when the spindle stop command is issued.